Oh no! Oh, Baguette. Maybe. Oh, I'm sorry, folks. Did she get something? Yeah, I wouldn't have seen her. Yeah, that's true. What's going on here? Or she just poofed out? What's happening, hon? Oh, there, that's a nice pick. I think. Come on, sweetie. Ooh, whoops. Oh, shoot. Ooh. All right, eat your hearts out. Yeah. Oh, I think the hand warmer thing is actually heating up finally. No, it's in my pocket. So I got it right next to the battery to keep these guys warm. I got one hand in the pocket, yes. I gotta make sure the tripod doesn't fall over. I got a nice pick of him or her. Or you might want to park at Bradfield if there's a spot. Two of them here.
Put it in here.
And the heater is right between. That's the one that's plugged into.
Alright.
Oh, what's she doing? Okay, what are you doing?
Putting this inside my...
You're not going to use the heater?
Well, if I'm inside my shirt here.
Okay. Oh, she's going to potty. And you're messing up the thing. Thank you. Pretty sure I hit it in focus.
Can we zoom it back a little bit?
Oh!
Seriously? What's up with that? So I think Keys' baby doll island girl has made it finally to her landing zone south of Santiago, Chile. And I think she flew well over 8,000 miles, 8,300 miles. I don't know. I don't want to get wrong, but it's some big number. Yeah. Keys is on the chat. He can fill in with the all the details. So this young lady is definitely sheltering from the wind, and the wind is, believe it or not coming from the north. The wind is coming from like the whatever, I guess the south. Of course, it's hard to tell here at Bradfield. Everything just whirls around. You can take off again. Off. Oh, over to the next one. She just flew over to the next one. Yeah, she just did a little hop. Okay, bit of a wing stretch. So what I have found that works really well just now is I put my foot on the bottom of the tripod tripod to hold it in place. Yeah, it's solid. I'm pressing down with my left foot on the windward side of the tripod. That way I can keep my hands in the pocket. Oh, somebody's booping. Not booping. Alright, let's see. Oh, we've got some serious stretching around up here. Let's see what the booper is saying. 8,568 total miles, 60 days. 8,568 in 60 days. So she actually took a little longer, I think, than previous seasons. I think she took a couple of little last-minute Caribbean tours, cruises on some ships. And off she goes again. Oh, her.